Hey you guys, today I'm going to be showing how to make a microwave cake. For this you will need flour, cocoa powder, milk, sugar, oil, salt, and baking soda. And your measuring spoons, and a leveler, and a fork. So first off, we're going to start with 3 tablespoons of flour, 2 and 3. Okay, and then we're gonna add in 1.5 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Okay, that's done, and you just want to mix this. Okay, after this is mixed, we can add in our sugar, and that is also 3 tablespoons. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we can mix that too. You can either use a spoon or you can use one of these small spatulas that you get from the dollar store. Comes in a set, like this. You can use that. Okay, and to this I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, and I need half a teaspoon of vanilla, and mix that together. And next we're going to need some milk. So we're going to need 3 tablespoons of milk. Everything is mostly 3 tablespoons except cocoa powder, and 2 and 3. And then we add in our oil, 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, almost there, and 3. Okay, then just mix this all together. And then at this point, it needs to get like that, and you need a pinch of salt, or 1/8, and you want to mix this. And if it gets too dry, you can add a little bit more milk, but mine is good. And you want to put this in the microwave for a minute, and then for 30 seconds. So I will put this in the microwave for a minute, and then I'll come back and show you the rest. So I just wanted to show you how it looks after 1 minute, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how it looks. You guys can't see that because lighting issues. And it should look puffy. And you could sprinkle on some M&Ms or chocolate chips or chocolate melts. So I have some chocolate chips and M&Ms. And you could put icing and whatever you want. And let's give this a taste. That is really good. The chocolate chips and everything help it together. You can also put some Nutella on there. And you can put icing, but I prefer to put chocolate icing than vanilla icing because the vanilla icing doesn't taste that good with it. And yeah, that's it. Make sure you rate, comment, and click that subscribe button. I'll be back on Monday.